Hello, we are Ptk Co., Ltd., a leading manufacturer of plant equipment. Since its establishment in 2000, Ptk has grown from a specialized filtration company to the #1 solutions and systems company in the plant, energy, and biosectors. Ptk, under the philosophy of a healthy company, has approximately 70 professional employees manufacturing cutting-edge plant equipment at Jang-an Plant 1 and Woojeong Plant 2 in Hwaseong, Gyeonggi-do. Factory 1 has a land area of 11,805 square meter, a building area of 2,582 square meter, and an outdoor area of 9,223 square meter, and Factory 2 has a land area of 24,041 square meter, a building area of 6,600 square meter, and an outdoor area of 17,441 square meter. Ptk is making a leap forward as a global powerhouse based on its technology and human resources. Ptk's core competitiveness is its specialized manufacturing of plant equipment. We design and manufacture various industrial equipment such as reactors, heat exchangers, towers and columns, pressure vessels, and skid packages, and complete our customers' plants in the refining, petrochemical, fine, chemical, renewable energy, and power generation industries. Ptk's technological prowess, combined with cutting-edge facilities and specialized personnel, enables the production of high-difficulty equipment. First, the Jang-an Plant, capable of producing 2,500 tons per year, can manufacture large structures up to 100 millimeters thick, 25 meters long and 5 meters in diameter, and is equipped with a large 93-meter gantry crane and RT room to provide a precise NDT environment. Second, Jang-an Plant 2 has an annual production capacity of 5,800 tons and is optimized for the production of medium to large-sized equipment through overhead cranes of various tonnages and 60-meter gantry cranes. Third, Jang-an Plant 3 has an annual production capacity of 1,500 tons and is responsible for precision manufacturing and post-processing through 3 types of overhead cranes, including a 20-ton crane and a 60-meter gantry crane. Fourth, the Friendship Factory is a key production base with an annual production capacity of 1,800 tons. It has 80-meter overhead and gantry cranes, enabling the production of ultra-large structures. It is also equipped with an NDT inspection environment, including an RT room. Ptk places top priority on quality and safety. We have obtained ASME U2, ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 certifications and are registered as a qualified supplier to 5 power generation public corporations, including Korea Hydro and Nuclear Power. We inspect the entire manufacturing process using precision testing equipment, providing plant equipment that customers can trust. Ptk is a company that has a partnership with secondary battery companies such as Samsung SDI, LG Chem, and SK Innovation, precision chemical companies such as Samsung, Lada, and OCI, and bio companies such as Samsung Biologics and Celltrion. We have established strong partnerships with power plant companies such as Korea Electric Power Corporation and KHNP, and are recognized for our global-level equipment manufacturing capabilities. From the establishment of the Research Center in 2008 to the production of IGCC testbed equipment in 2010, to participation in a national hydrogen and energy project in 2021, to the new operation of Jang-an Plant 2 in 2024, Ptk is leading the way in plant equipment expertise through continuous R&D investment and talent development. Ptk is specialized in manufacturing core plant equipment and manufacturing and rolling large and heavy materials. Based on 3 characteristics, capability and securing global competitiveness, it will become a key driving force in the future energy industry. Ptk, a company that moves the world with technology and trust, create a new future for plant equipment specialists with Ptk.